Okay, this is our Honda NSX video, part 2. We've got Fred from Sam's Automotive.
Hello.
Come on, concentrate,
Hello,
Fred.
man.
Action.
The phone's ringing.
We're going live, mate.
I gotta run.
Show me, show me this motor. What do we got?
We pulled the motor out today.
What car's it out of? NSX.
It was very hard.
What a sight, mate.
Maybe Lawrence can... Sorry, mate. So you just said, explain.
Come on, Lawrence. Come on. Show us your face, mate. We're putting you on YouTube. Show me the belts on this thing, mate. What do we got? These are 30-year-old belts probably on this car. We don't know.
I'd say so.
What belt's this?
So that's your alternator belt.
Alternator
Well,
belt.
it was your alternator belt.
That's seen better days, hasn't it?
A couple of rips and tears and everything.
So what are we going to do?
Stripping down the front end. Gonna do the timing belt.
We've got a new AC compressor.
Yeah.
Timing belt.
Probably split the gearbox off. We'll have to do the rear main.
Rear main seal. Yep.
And yeah, just give it a freshen up.
Alright. So I'll be ready for Formula 1 when we're done.
Hope so.
Mate, this is a chilling sight, mate. Look at that. There's daylight.
You can fit a V8 in there almost.
We'll leave that for our next project, Fred.
Yeah, alright.
Wow. That's quite a donk sitting there, isn't it?
Yep.
That's the whole lot, isn't it? That's how are all our little boots and everything on our uni joints here?
Yeah, they look alright.
Alright, okay. Anything else you've noticed that might need? There's a fair bit of oil chucked around in here, isn't there?
Yeah, they're all from the rocket covers.
Oh yeah.
Rocket cover leaks.
Yeah, plug seals.
Yeah. And
where's the rear main seal? Does that look
rear
like
main
it's
is
got a leak?
in the gearbox.
Where's that?
Yeah, it was
You
leaking.
gotta split this gearbox off.
That's why I said. That's why I said when we split it off, we'll check the clutch. If you needs to, you want to put a sports clutch in it or something. You know, you can put a Exceedi or something in there, and you'll love
it. As long as it doesn't make it heavy. You know
no, it won't be heavy. Trust me, it won't be heavy.
There's a fair bit of oil on that, isn't it? Well. There's oil leaks everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah, that's all rocket cover. See, it's all
shit.
from the rocket cover.
What's all that green stuff?
That's from the aircon.
Oh, that's the
The aircon gas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's a lot of oil on here, isn't it?
Yeah. All right. I'll have to go.
So we're going to give it a bit of a degrease and a clean up before we put it all back in, Lawrence?
Yeah. It'll be like brand new when it goes back in.
Fantastic. All right, thanks for watching part 2 of our NSX rehabilitation. See ya. Thanks, Lawrence.
No worries.